video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with space character. The space characters are gradually increasing from 0 to 8 line by line in the range of 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These space characters are appended with number characters. These number characters are gradually decreasing line by line in the range of 2 from 9 to 1, 9, 7, 5, 3 and 1. Along with every number, there is a space character, and we can divide this pattern into two halves. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. We require one more variable here, j, initialize it with 5. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to reduce j value by 1. Here, j value will be 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here, at the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition false, and our while loop termination will fail here. It is going to stop the iteration. Here, for this type of pattern, we require to use nested while loop and a variable called k is equal to 0 while k less than j into 2 minus 1. So this is going to give us 9. 5 into 2, 10 minus 1, 9. Then 7, then 5, then 3 and 1 result. Now at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase a value by 1. So let's print the space character. We are going to combine two space characters here and multiply it with I. So here we will get 0, then 2, then 4, then 6 and 8 spaces. And in the same line, we want to print number characters. For that, we are going to use and parameter without any value. So space character appended with number. Now let's print the first half of the pattern, j minus k, and separate numbers with the space character. Let's print the result in the terminal. Run py file. We can see we are able to print the result in the single line. To print the result line by line, print a print statement outside this while loop. Run py file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print the first half of the pattern. Now let's print second half. For that we require condition if k value is greater than half of the length of the line. This is length of the line. Copy that. And half of the length of the line. Then print second half separated with space character, else print first half. run this py file in the terminal, we can see our first half is printed and second half is printed with the star. We place this star and write logic to print the second half j minus k plus 5. So this is going to give us our second half. Run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. So we can see here, this is our expected output pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number triangle pattern.